Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Nifty in 5 minute chart, we have seen a very good upside rally. We have opened positive and we have seen a very good buying pressure in the first 5 minutes candle, and for a few minutes it was traded in a range, and this was our resistance, and it consolidated our resistance level, and we have seen a very good rally. So Nifty closed with 84 points, and whereas Bank Nifty, it opened flat, and in the first 5 minutes candle, we have seen a very good fight between bulls versus bears, and there was a very big shadow in the 5 minutes candle, and it has closed with doji candle. There was some short covering in Bank Nifty and a fresh cash buying we have seen in Bank Nifty today. So let's discuss everything in open interest analysis. We'll follow by FII. In options input, they were holding 2.56 lakhs of put buying. Today they have added 4,000 contracts, so they have 2.60 lakhs of put buying. And in call, they were holding 2.86 lakhs of call buying. Today they have added 25,000 contract to the call buying contract, so they have 3.11 lakhs of call buying. So call buying is more than put buying. It indicates a positiveness in options. In future index, 50% long, 50% short. So they have increased the long, reduced the short by 4 percentage. Stock future percentage 53% long, 47% short, and they have purchased for 1,685 crores in the cash market. So they have hedged their position in F&O and going long in the cash market. FII view is positive only. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 1.38 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have unwinded this and made a very good profit in put writing contract. Today made a fresh put buying of 71,000 contract, and in call they were holding 3 lakhs of call writing contract. They are sitting in loss in this position, so they have unwinded 69,000 contract, still holding 2.30 lakhs of call writing contract. So they have made a bearish positions in options. Future index 50% long, 50% short, so they have reduced the long, increased the short only by 1 percentage. Stock future percentage 84% long, 16% short, and they sold for 363 crores in the cash market. So see, the view of client is slight negative only. Promoters in options input, they were holding 1.91 lakhs of put writing contract. Today drastically they have increased 2.15 lakhs of put writing contract, so they have 4 lakhs of put writing. And in call they were holding 13,000 of call buying. They have unwinded this and made a fresh call writing of 81,000 contract. Super bullish in options. Future index 53% long, 47% short, so they have increased the long, reduced the short by 3 percentage. Stock future percentage 58% long, 42% short, and they are purchased for 335 crores in the cash market. So see, promoters view is bullish only, and we have seen maximum 50-50 in long and short in future index today by all the four participants. DIA have purchased for 191 crores in the cash market, so the cash flow was 1,849 crores, positive value. Put call ratio, Nifty for this week is at 1.27, Bank Nifty for this week is 1.46, Nifty for month end is at 1.28, and Bank Nifty for month end is at 1.15. So super positive this week as well, the month end also, and we have to keep an eye on Bank Nifty for this week because it is at 1.46 slide going into overbought zone. Now we'll check what happened in change in OI. Nifty, we have seen a good number of call writing unwinding at 18,300, and a huge put writing from 18,300, 18,350 and 18,400. People still holding short straddle of 18,400. A major resistance is at 18,400. Bank Nifty, we have seen a huge number of put writing addition at 44,000. So 44,000 people carry forwarding short straddle. A major support is at 43,500 and a major resistance will at 44,000 only. If this 44,000 is broke, again we can see 100 to 500 points of range we can achieve. Now let's check the price action. Nasdaq in 1 day time frame, they are trading slight positive by 47 points. They are almost at their resistance level, and Dow is trading slight negative by 17 points. And India VIX rise by 2%. Today it is at 13, still comfortable. So Nifty in longer time frame, what do we have as per the price action? See, it has made a morning star kind of a candle. Actually Morningstar has to be formed in a downtrend movement, but still it has formed. We will not consider Morningstar, but still it is a positive sign as per the price action. Bank Nifty in Monday time frame, super positive closing we have seen, and it is a sign of positiveness as per the price action. So mark the algo points. The Nifty first support will be at 18,305 and first resistance is at 18,476. Bank Nifty first support is at 43,774 and first resistance comes around 44,261. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is super positive. So every dip should be a buying opportunity, keeping a strict stop loss because we are almost at a all-time high in Bank Nifty and Nifty is much more to go. So keeping a strict stop loss, we can think of buy on dip. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.